How to install the Vcut tools. First, remove the divided the Vcut tool into the two parts. You can untight the screw. Install the up part. There is a red mark. Install the blade on the Vcut head. Install the blade. There's marks. Tight the blade. This is 45 degrees. If you want to use the different degrees, you can remove this screw. And insert the different holes. Now, normally we use the 45 degrees. Tight the screw. Install the Vcut head to the up part. Tight the screw. The Vcut cutting tool installation is finished. When you finish installing the Vcut tool and click reset, axis reset, and A-axis reset. And the knife direction is to the front. This direction will be correct. The next step is to set the cutting depth for the Vcut tool. Debug depth. Slot cut. Choose the slot cut. Slot cut. Make it go down until it touches the table felt or materials. make it go down. How deep you want the Vcut to go down? Reference to the materials. If OK, click Set for the down curve. How to use the Vcut tool? First, in the software, we make the settings. Import the file. For example, 2 colors, inner color. Use the V slot cut and use slot V slot direction. Cut both sides. Make the V cut first and cutting second. V slot cut first. Vibrate cut second. After download the file and click debug and reference 0 point reference to the UT. This is a reference point. The Vcut tool reference to the UT position defined the Vcut cutting area. For example, we reference to here. This is 0. We click XY position, and go to check its cutting area. And click Start or the Solve and Start. Vcut. We slot. This is V slot. V slot. Cut both sides. This width, line width, is controlled by the compensation.